Hello, welcome to new video. In this video we are going to make 4 different face masks. So first of all we are going towards turmeric face mask. You have to take 1 tablespoon of gram flour which will help to exfoliate your skin. Then you have to add half a teaspoon of wild turmeric which is helpful for skin brightening. Then you have to add 2 tablespoons of yogurt, which is best moisturizer. Then you have to mix them properly to make a fine paste. And you can apply this paste to your face for 20 minutes and then you can rinse it off, and you can use it 1 to 2 times a week. Now clay face mask. For this purpose you have to take 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay, which is easily available in market. Then take 1 tablespoon of rose water, which is very good for skin. Mix them properly and you can apply it to your face for 20 minutes and then you can rinse it off. And those people which are having issue of oily face, this is best mask. Then we are going towards rice face mask. You have to take 1 tablespoon of rice flour, which is best skin toner. Then you have to take 1 teaspoon of orange peel powder, which is best for skin brightening, and it can be easily made at home. Then add 2 tablespoons of raw honey, which is a good skin moisturizer. Mix them properly and then you can apply it to your face for 20 minutes and then rinse it off. And then LICORICE face mask. Take 1 tablespoon of licorice powder, which is best for skin brightening and it also makes skin glowing. Then add 1 tablespoon of rice water or yogurt, which will promote healthy skin. You have to mix them properly. After mixing, you can preserve all these masks into separate jars, and you can apply this mask to your face for 20 minutes and then rinse off. Then aloe face mask. Take 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, which is best for skin moisturization and skin soothing. Now add 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal. Mix them properly and apply.